In this video I'll present you Neewer NW-670C Speedlite for Canon. Hello my friends, welcome to my photo video lab. In this video I'll present you a Speedlite from Neewer, compatible with Canon DSLR and mirrorless, and with my Canon EOS M50, which is my main camera. Check the link in the description to get 10% off using my link. This period Neewer offers free shipping, so go and check it for yourself. With the Speedlite I also received wireless transmitter and receiver, hard flash diffuser, lens cap holder, a soft flash diffuser, and a protecting bag. Let's go to unbox this. The Speedlite is very close to the Canon design but much more affordable. I think it's great for the price, it has solid build quality, and for entry level flash is amazing. Like any other flash, it has wide angle diffuser and a built-in reflection panel. And also you can rotate the head according to your needs. Mini stand is also included, which is very useful for off-camera flash shots. Pressing the mode button you get the basic 5 modes that the Speedlite operates: TTL, manual, strobo flash, slave 1 and slave 2. With up or down buttons, you can increase or decrease the exposure index. Hold down mode button and you set the flash to the rear curtain sync mode. The zoom setting on your flash sets how dispersed or narrow the light coming out of the flash head is. So if you shoot on manual mode in your camera and on the Speedlite and the zoom at camera is 45mm, then you should adjust the Speedlite to that zoom setting in order to disperse the light at the right distance. Strobo flash mode or multi-mode. The first number is the number of flashes, the other number is the flash frequency. So, if you have these settings, that means that the flash will fire 2 times at a rate of 1 Hz. Slave 1. Slave 1 mode fires as soon as it detects an external flash firing. S1 optical slave mode fires on the first flash it sees. This is very useful as you can place the flash off camera and trigger it with your inbuilt camera flash. Don't forget to set the power of the built-in flash at the minimum power. S2 mode just fires when it sees the second flash. Fires on the second flash it sees and ignores the pre-flash. This Speedlite is TTL compatible but not off-camera TTL. That means that once you have the Speedlite attached on your camera, it communicates with the flash and sets automatically the correct settings for the flash power. If you attach the Speedlite on the receiver and the transmitter on the camera, the TTL mode is not available. Very handy power on off button. You don't have to press for 3 or 4 seconds the button in order to power on. This is very useful while shooting a wedding or events and you want the Speedlite available as soon as possible. I love the Speedlite. It's totally value for money. If you don't want to spend a fortune to get the Canon Speedlite and get the job done, that's exactly what you need. Click the link in the description to get discount. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in the comment section. Until next time, stay safe.